Joe Beermaster. We have a 2008 Chrysler 300. And this goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out or to change a bulb. Whatever you want to do. You want to open the trunk. These little turns here. Take this off. You got to get behind this trim panel. We just kind of pull on it. See if there's anything else holding it. As you can see in here, there's some more. There was one here, it's missing. And there's one here. So we actually have to take the tail light out. So I'm going to spin the other one off. It's also got a 10mm head on it. You can use a 10mm socket or do it by hand. And we're going to do that. Spin that out. And now we're going to take the socket out. See this red piece right here? You have to slide that out and then press this little black clip. So we're going to slide that out like that. Press the black clip. Separate the socket. See if there's any more in here. There's one more up top, so there's actually three. That's why you don't want to bang things too hard. You want to trial and error things. Alright. Now we just pull on it. And there it is. And here's the bulb that's out. So we're going to just turn it. See, it's a little black. Pull it straight out. And if you look closely, right here there's numbers. 3057, that's the bulb. So you can either take the bulb to your local supply, or you can call it in, or you can call Parts Warehouse and tell them what the application's for, and they'll match it up. Alright, so we got the new bulb. This is a double filament because it's for the brake light. So it'll work as a regular light and a brake light. Push it in. And this goes in a certain way. You can see the shape of it. You want the big end in this way. You can spin it till it kind of clicks in. And twist. That just broke off. It's a little old, but it still works. On there nice and tight. Put it back. Put it back in. Make sure everything lines up. And now we're going to connect it, but we're not going to put the nuts on yet. We're going to test it to see if it works. So go ahead, test that. Park light. Put the park light on. That was the brake light. The driving lights. Yep. Okay, so now that that's good, we're going to tighten everything back up the way we took it off. Put the trim back on. And that's it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.